5th grade Shurley method, page 7. This is our part 2 recording. We'll be doing exercises 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so unscramble the correct and correct the sentence according to the labels. So basically you're going to use your classification and you guys are going to put what words go with that classification. Don't forget to capitalize the beginning and what? Punctuation at the end. Okay, name the 8 parts of speech that you've studied so far. So classification wise, we've done a noun, a verb, what else? An adjective, an adverb, preposition, pronoun, a conjunction, because we did that yesterday. And then which one did you do for homework on number 2? An interjection. And conjunction was here. It's just horribly written. Okay, so we've done 5 before, right? Okay, so you have to find the subject noun, you have to find the verb, okay, and then underline the words for what part of speech they want. His sister's new car was parked in a driveway with a big red bow on top. So whose car was parked? Or what was parked in the driveway? Car. Subject noun. What is being said about the car? Then was parked. Was is the helping verb. Parked is the verb. What's our adjective? His sister's new. It can even be a possessive pronoun adjective or a possessive noun adjective. Big red. Anything else? Nope. Oh, there's one more. The article adjective, right? Yesterday, the new students arrived early at the college. Who arrived early at the college? Student. New. What is being said about students? Arrived. Verb. What's the adverb? Yesterday, right? And then we also need an A up here because it's an article adjective. The party was planned for Thursday at Bob's house. What was planned for Thursday at Bob's house? Subject noun. What is being said about the party? Was is the helping verb. Planned is the verb. What's our noun? Party. Thursday and house. Okay, you guys are going to do 12, 13, and 14 for homework. And you will underline 3 things for number 12. You will underline 2 things for 13. And you will underline 3 things for 14. Billy and Jill swam and played at summer camp. Who swam and played at summer camp? Billy and Jill. So compound subject noun. What is being said about Billy and Jill? So compound verbs. And then the conjunction. What are our conjunctions? And. Okay. Interjection. Stop. You ran to the wrong base. Who ran to the wrong base? You. Subject. Pronoun. Okay. And then what is being said about you? Verb. And then what's our interjection? Stop. Okay. So you guys will do number 5, 12, 13, and 14.